Hey, I'm Mark, and this is the Level 8 carry-on bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, Level 8, you're real fancy with this carry-on sock, we'll call it. Interesting. Now, it's all tied up. So from an unboxing experience standpoint, I really don't want to have to meddle with this knot as I unbox it. So maybe if you're giving this as a gift, you should open it up and untie this knot for someone so that they don't have to take the extra time and untie it. All right. Ooh. Okay, here we go. It's a spinner, and wow, does it spin. Okay, I really like how it feels on the outside, just at first glance here. It's very nice texture. So take a look at these wheels. It's a double wheel configuration. I really like this extra yellow detail. It's kind of nice as it's rolling. You can sort of see it moving there like that. That's cool. It's very smooth. And I've put quite a few suitcases through the ringer, and I'm feeling pretty good about this one before even opening it up. It's got feet here on the bottom so that when you want to set it down like this, you can do that. So we've got zippers over here on the side and a nice TSA lock built right in. And let's see, yes, nice and smooth. Ooh, okay. Love the organization. It's really nice. We've got a little pocket here up front. Another little pocket here. That's nice. And then let's take a look at this side compartment. Pretty good. Nice liner. Let's see how many beach towels we can fit on this side. 3. So we got 3 beach towels in here, and there's still quite a bit of room on the side. And this will zip up still. Nice little compression effect that extra divider has. Let's open up this side. Pretty good. Now you lose a little space on this side because of the handle assembly that's on the inside there, but what I like to do is usually put socks and other small items, just kind of stuff them in these spaces. Certain shoes can fit in here like that too. But let's see how many towels we can get in here. Because, you know, not everyone wears the same kind of clothes or the same size clothes, but beach towels is a pretty universal size that most people can understand. So I hope you appreciate the towels. We've got another 3 over here on this side. It is in there. Okay. So zipping it up. Pretty stuffed, but we can still zip it up without too much effort. Could definitely fit a whole lot more in here. So even with all the weight, it's still rolling really nice. I really like this one. This is great. We've tested several Level 8 bags before, and this one, it's nice and simple, nice design, comes in several colors. I think you're gonna like it.